Dian Putra from
Hi. Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
so Abian.
Okay, by the way, Shaggy, actually today I'm gonna bring a topic about how to create a color and text in design system. Text design system actually, and we're gonna create it in Figma.
So in the other stuff there is so uh, so yeah, maybe we can start the super nggak? Maybe you can start the material to this we can teach talk. Okay. So
Okay, okay, thank you so much, Gazi Shaggy. Yeah. So also today I'm just gonna just present uh, Windows. Entire screen nggak bisa. Tulisannya mana?
Windows tuh coba
Ini
ya Pak share
apa entire screen sih?
sama
Okay, okay. So we in here we have first is the color, and this is some color in design system. Yeah. Actually, there is a design system. There is primary, secondary, accent, and neutral. When you're making an app, there is a primary as your basic foundation of your design principle or design system in your when you're making app. And today I'm gonna uh, create this kind of color and put it in the system in Figma. So actually, how you gonna do it? First, you must pick the colors of your own app. So so here I pick the color blue actually, but I want to change it to green. So you can just go fill and maybe change it to your favorite color. Maybe like uh, a purple. This is good. Okay. So, uh, well, you can just go to the plugin and then uh, type in color in plugin color scale generator so that this from 100 to 900 it will be matching from the 100 which is more brighter and then the 900 which is more of the deep and more more in black. So or just pick the color in 500 there. This. Okay. After that, you can just after you pick the color you want to match, and then you can copy the color hex and then put it in the color scale generator of the color. Just paste it and then change the step to 10 and it will create. So this is the color scale from the 100 to 900. So just change these colors. Just press shortcut Y or E in the keyboard, and then just go to this card color drop pick tool. Just change the color of it, and don't forget to copy the color hex tool and change the color of it. Okay, the next one is 100. Don't forget to change it to. Okay, after that, in this color, you can just and well, you change to the secondary color, but I'm gonna pick the orange color for the secondary and then the accent too, and then after that you can select all, and we're gonna put it in this system object. So pick all the colors and then go to the plugin and type in style,
New rule.
and after that don't forget to save it, guys, and you can generate styles of these colors, and then boom, it actually automatically create these colors and from primary. So we have 100, 200, 300, 500, 600, and etc. Oh, but don't forget, guys, to actually rename it first so that you can actually in this system so that it can now pop up in a good uh, good things. And then for the second example is secondary color. First is you must change to secondary first. Type in secondary, and then you guys can. That's the same for the accent too. Rename. By the way, this is the shortcut for this all rename thing is Control F, and then you guys can type in accent. So this you guys can uh, select all the 100 types of the color and control F again. And this time you need to press these current name things so that it actually not removing the previous text of it, previously name, and now just type in 100 or just 100 and boom. That's the same for the 200. Just create name and 200. Same for it. Then 500, 700, and the last one is 900. And after this, you can go select all of the colors in secondaries, and that's the same from the previous one, which is from the primary one. You can just type in the plugin styler and generate styles. Okay, don't forget to generate styles. Now it automatically goes into the secondary colors, and this is a good thing. Just like that, pretty easy. And don't forget the second one, the accent. Just type in styler again, and you need generate styles. That's it. And now all the colors is in the system. And if you actually want to maybe create something, just uh, in manual way, you can infill and then change the manual things of the colors. But in the system, you need when you need something, maybe like changing to color to primary, just type in this four rectangle or four button thing besides of the plus button, and the libraries pop up, and the color of your thing in the system will pop up too, and you can actually press that and it will change the color that you want. Okay, that's for the color system. And now we move to the text system. And now in the text system, actually uh, you need to choose what font do you want to choose. Actually, choose what font do you want. And if you have the right font for your app actually already, and then that is good things. And here I went to change to actually to Poppins. Yeah. And then in here, all of this you can select all of it and change this SF4 display phone to Poppins. And well, after that, after you change the whole thing, the whole phone, and you want to apply it to the system, you can actually select all this type of. First is you need to rename it first. So first rename it. So this is for the display one. Display one 64px. The same for the second one until the last one. You can select all and then control rename or control F to rename all of it and change to display to, so that this name thing doesn't really affect when applying a system, and not really. So when you are renaming, it does apply to the system actually, and it really makes your system goes pretty under control. Pretty neat. Pretty easy to use. Okay, so this is display to 56px, and then the last one display 3 heading 1. Then just change all of it to this font size and line height. Okay, and after that you can select all of it first, and after you rename all of it, from display to the subheading to the label 2 to 10px. Yeah, you can go to plugin and type in stylo again. And well, just like the previous color system, we gonna generate styles again in this. Just select all of display one and boom. Now it create the display text style. And when you actually when you actually apply it in a text, this first is display one, regular, generate styles, and blah blah blah. So here we have label 2, from label 2 to display 3 48px. The same for the medium, that's the regular, and this is for the medium one. And now this label 2 has in a regular and medium 2. It's the same for the symbol 2 and the bold one. Just generate stacks vertically, okay, from up to down. And boom, the last one. Same, just generate styles and done. And when you apply text in it, you can see some display one or maybe label 10 when you're typing. It's pretty useful and it's pretty important when you're designing an app so that you your app can feel more consistent and more of the principle of the design system thing. Okay. Thank you so much for listening and watching to my tutorial and how to create and color and text design system. And I'm gonna change back to host. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, man, for the material is making color system in Figma. So
Maybe this is the copy from us.
Yes, from us.
and thank you. See you on the weekend this talk. The other weekend.
Okay.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.